Welcome to Dani's Auto World, where the road meets innovation and the future is just a drive away. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the automotive world, the 2025 Futuristic Four-Wheeler Camper, a bold step into what life on the road can truly become. Imagine a vehicle that blends the comfort of a home, the rugged capability of an off-roader, and the intelligence of next-gen technology. That's exactly what this camper brings to the table. From the outside, its sleek aerodynamic frame turns heads instantly, with the body crafted from ultra-lightweight carbon composite panels, featuring solar-reactive paint that adapts to light and temperature. Integrated solar panels stretch across the roof and sides, making this camper not only energy efficient but almost entirely self-sustaining. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, you've got a dual electric motor system that delivers an impressive 600 horsepower, taking you from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Yes, in a camper, with an adaptive suspension system and a terrain response. The 2025 camper glides effortlessly across gravel, snow, sand, or highway, automatically adjusting to maximize grip and comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The interior is fully modular, meaning you can convert the lounge into a workspace, a dining area, or a full-sized bed at the touch of a button. Voice-activated smart systems control lighting, climate, and even the scent diffusion. Yes, you can choose what your camper smells like. Need to cook? A compact yet full-functioning kitchen slides out with induction surfaces and a refrigerator that syncs with your phone to track groceries and recommend recipes. There's more. The camper includes a fold-out rooftop deck with built-in seating, a drone pad for scenic aerial photography, and a 5G-enabled infotainment system that keeps you connected even in the remotest corners. Safety isn't overlooked either. You've got 360-degree cameras, biometric locks, and an AI driving assistant that can take full control if needed, making long drives not just easier but safer. This camper is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're an adventurer, a digital nomad, or someone who simply wants to explore without leaving the comforts of home, the 2025 Futuristic Four-Wheeler Camper is the future, today. Thanks for watching Dani's Auto World. If you enjoyed this look into tomorrow's travel companion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more incredible innovations on wheels.